Hello friends, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be telling you how to create a WhatsApp TV and also how to monetize it. The first question that will occur to your mind when you hear WhatsApp TV should be, what is WhatsApp TV? So WhatsApp TV is any branded WhatsApp account used in reaching out to large number of viewers or people for the purpose of entertaining, educating or marketing purposes via your WhatsApp status. So with your WhatsApp status, you can market, you can entertain, and you can also educate and also share different contents with many viewers on WhatsApp. So this is just what a WhatsApp TV is. All right, guys. For the introduction, my name is Console Onyekwere. You are welcome to my channel, and on this channel we make videos on how to make money online in Nigeria. So if you are interested in such content and this is your first time of being on this channel, then you just have to know that this is your home. You can go ahead now, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification so that anytime we drop another video, you are going to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back. So now the second thing that we are going to be checking now is the requirements to start up a WhatsApp TV. All you just need to start up a WhatsApp TV is just a SIM, that's your phone number, and a phone, that's a smartphone. It is advisable for you to get a number, a business line, not that one that you used to use usually. You just have to buy a new one, register it and use it. It will be better like that. So if you have registered your SIM, it is not professional for you to be sharing that your number, that's your phone number, as a WhatsApp TV. It is not professional. That's why you have to brand it. You just have to brand it. And now I'll be showing you how you can turn that your WhatsApp number into a link. That link is what you are going to be sharing so that people can actually join your WhatsApp. So this is what you are going to do. Head straight to Chrome. If you head straight to Chrome, then you are going to enter a site that I'll tell you now. The name of the site is let's see here, is create dot wa dot link. So you just have to visit this site, create.wa.link, and then you scroll down on the site. If you scroll down on the site, you are going to see somewhere they say that you can put your number. If you put your number there, then you also put a customized message which the people that clicked on the link, they are going to use it to send it to you. So I'm going to tell you something here. Let me just put in my number first. That's 080. Okay, 08. All right. So on putting your customized message, you have to put a message actually sending in value. You don't have to tell the people join my WhatsApp. People are not going to join. You have to send something of value, and this particular strategy is called lead marketing. Let me show you. Just check the message I'm going to put in here. All right, guys. So you can see the message now that I wrote here. You can see it here. I offer full courses on affiliate marketing, crypto trading, and graphic design absolutely free of charge for 3 months with an additional one-on-one mentorship. So if you are to send this now, if you are to put in that your link and somebody clicks on it, if somebody clicks on it and sees this is what is going to attract them to your WhatsApp TV. That's to your number. Not telling them that they should join your WhatsApp TV that you do on business or you do on make money. Don't tell them that. Just use the value that you have in order to draw them. So if you have put everything like this, all you just have to do is to click on this generate my WA dot link. So that's just what you are going to click. Your link is already generated. This is your link here. Then the next thing to do is just to copy the link. You are going to just scroll down. You are going to see the green button which says copy link. Then you copy the link. Now our link is ready. Our link is now ready to be shared. Mind you, if you are to download the WhatsApp app, make sure to download the business app. Don't download the ordinary app. Make sure to download the WhatsApp business app. So after you might have gotten your link, the next thing to do now is to start sharing your link. Make sure you share it all over the social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, just all of them. Make sure you share all of them. Now coming down to Facebook, because you are going to do some things there. Actually, there are some things you have to do very essential on Facebook, because Facebook can serve as the the prime or the head of your traffic. All you have to do is to head over to Facebook. Immediately you enter Facebook, make sure you join all, not all actually, but make sure you join many relevant groups. And mind you, I didn't tell you earlier, before you start your WhatsApp TV, you must decide on which niche that you want to deal on. For example, now what I am offering is affiliate marketing, those things that I wrote there, graphic design and all this and all that. So let me just assume all those things has to do with make money online. So when you are starting your own, you can decide to deal on relationships, you can decide to deal on tech, you can also decide to deal on sports, or maybe BB Niger, or just anything that you want to do. So that is just a personal decision for you. So after getting those things, you head over to Facebook, join the necessary groups. Make sure you share your links there. And as you are sharing your link, make sure to take that strategy that I told you. You share your value, you don't share your link. Share your value. Then after you share your value, you tell them to click on the link in order to get those value. That is called lead marketing. This is what I'm trying to say. So if you log into your Facebook now and you just enter into any of the groups that you are into. For example, this is a group that I'm into, make money online in Nigeria. So the group is already having 73,000 members. So if I enter here now and I want to write up something and I want people to join my WhatsApp TV, you won't just go and tell them join my WhatsApp TV because I will show you how to make money online. No, rather you have to market something you are having. Just as I told you earlier that I'm already having courses on affiliate marketing, crypto trading, this and that. So this is exactly what you are still going to type in there. Make sure you make it very good and very compelling and also very attracting. So if you write it up well, people are going to click on it and people are going to join your WhatsApp TV. If they come to you, you tell them to save your number, and also you save theirs. So by this way, they are going to later become potential viewers on your WhatsApp TV. Except this, you can also get people's numbers manually just by doing this. Just come to the home of your Facebook. That's the home page. Then you click on the search bar. If you click on the search bar, then you just search something like drop your WhatsApp number. Oh, sorry, wait. Drop your WhatsApp number for affiliate marketing class. So if you search this now, you are going to see people that have already made posts like that. So if you see people that made posts like that, just click on any of them. You are going to see people dropping their WhatsApp numbers for affiliate marketing classes. You are going to see so many of them because there are so many other posts. Except this, you can also type drop your WhatsApp number for crypto trading class. You are going to see so much numbers. So this is what you are going to do if you see those numbers. Don't just send them messages that's on Facebook. All you just have to do is to copy their number, save it on your phone, and after saving them on your phone, then you construct a very good message telling them, trying to convince them that they should join your WhatsApp TV by clicking that link, that you are going to offer them all those things for free. After telling them that, you are going to see that the result is going to be a good one. So if you find it hard now, that's if you may find it hard doing all this, there's also another alternative, because I have so much alternatives, guys. So this is another alternative. You can just come over to this site, wamation.com, WAMATION, wamation.com. So if you come over to wamation.com, Wamation can do all things for you. If you have so much bulk numbers that you can't save, Wamation can help you save them within a very little or a very short period of time. Wamation can also help you send bulk messages via WhatsApp. Wamation can do all those things. Use your own numbers, import contacts, broadcast to groups, broadcast to lists. Wamation can do all those things. In fact, Wamation can change your life in WhatsApp marketing. Wamation can do all those things. But the only problem with Wamation is that Wamation is paid. Wamation is not free. So probably I'll be treating Wamation in another video. I'll make a full video about Wamation. So this is just what you have to know about this. Now, lastly, in order for you to also get lots and lots of people joining your WhatsApp TV, you can also run ads on Facebook. You know, I really love Facebook ads because Facebook is relatively cheaper than that of Google ads. Facebook ads is relatively cheaper and is better. So you can drive lots of traffic on Facebook through running of Facebook ads. I've already made a video on how to run ads on Facebook using your phone. So just check on the description section. You are going to see the video and you can also watch the video. And remember, as you are running your ad, don't tell them that they should join your WhatsApp TV. Offer them the value. Let them be the one chasing you, not you chasing them. Let them be the one finding you so that they can get those courses and those value. Finally, we have come to the aspect of monetization. Before monetizing your WhatsApp TV, there must be something you must do. If you are starting your WhatsApp TV, you must have time. Very important. Make time for yourself. And accept this, don't rush to monetize. Take it as a slow and steady process and you are going to excel in it. Make sure to have commitments, credibility and trust. Commitments, credibility and trust. Commitment in the sense that you have already dedicated yourself to the work. That's the WhatsApp TV. Make sure you are dedicated fully for it. And then credibility. Once you start being committed, they will trust you and it can bring about credibility. they can now share your link. People will share, they will be the ones sharing your link, so that more people are going to benefit from your value. And by doing this, trust is already there. So this is just what you have to do in order to grow your WhatsApp TV. It will be a very dull TV or a very dull organization if you only focus on the thing or the niche that you are into. Also try to diversify. Always try to put things that are also going to make your viewers happier or feel better. If it is comedies, you should be there. Put comedies so that they can also enjoy. If it is memes, put memes so that they can also enjoy. Giveaways, also host giveaways or even some little competitions so that all of them can be carried along. Now, this is how you are going to monetize your WhatsApp. The first way to monetize your WhatsApp is by direct contact with producers. You can go ahead, meet producers. If you meet a producer, maybe somebody making shoes or somebody making bags or somebody making furniture, tell that producer that you want to market his products, and after marketing his or her products, your interest will also be there after a sale. Now, another way you can also make money on WhatsApp, you can also register on affiliate programs. You can register on Jumia affiliate program so that you can also market their products. You can register on Konga affiliate program. You can also market their products and make sales. You can also register for an affiliate program with giantalerts.com, where you can also market softwares, courses, just software, digital softwares. So this is just all about the site, or services, apps that can help. So this is just what you can do. Except that you can also make money on WhatsApp by personalities will also reach out to you when they want adverts. They can also reach out to you. Politicians can also reach out to you. Anything anybody is having, you can advertise it. That's why sometimes you also have to put slots, or you tell the people that you are open for adverts so they can bring in their products or services so that you can also market it for them. Except all this, you can also advertise people's social media so that other people can also follow their social media. And also you can also put yours. If you put yours, you can grow your own social media. It happens that one of the WhatsApp TV in my school, the university I attend, so the guy used to do all these school gists, relationship and all those stuff. There was a day his WhatsApp was hanging due to over traffic. He had to tell the people to go to Instagram. That same day, his Instagram was 45,000 followers. That same day, that Instagram turned to 87,000 followers. So you can see the magic there. So if you just try to make the people absorb into you, they will be your active and loyal viewers. Another thing is that if you are a student, it will be easier for you to grow a WhatsApp TV since you are centering on the school. So since you are centering on the school, I believe it will be easier for you to grow your WhatsApp TV. So guys, this is just all about this video. Maybe there are other ways you can also make money on WhatsApp. But if it happens that you have more ways on how to make money on WhatsApp via the WhatsApp TV, you can also comment it down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any comments, feel free to also drop it below, and stay blessed.